In this video, we'll show you how to use Flipsnack's lead form feature to collect valuable information from your readers. Let's get started. In the add-ons window, click on lead form and check the Use Lead Form box. Set the page on which you'd like the lead form to appear. This will act as a content gate, requiring readers to fill out the form to continue. Here you can also customize the form's title and button text to match your needs. When it comes to the information that you want to collect, you can select from a bunch of different options. To do this, go to Fields and select Add Field to choose the information you want to collect. Options include email address, full name, phone number, country or region, website, and even a custom field for any specific information that you require. You can add up to 8 fields, rearrange them, and set each as either optional or required. To ensure accurate entries, you can enable validation for specific fields. For example, an email field requires the @ symbol to validate it as an email address, while a phone field must contain numbers. For data privacy, you can add a link to your privacy policy. You also have the option to include a GDPR compliance checkbox to capture user consent. You can customize this message, and the statistics will record consent as either yes or no, helping you stay compliant. And you can also allow users to skip your form entirely if you don't need it to be mandatory. After collecting responses, you can access lead form data through the Analytics page. In the main dashboard, you can access Analytics directly, or click the 3 dots and select Analytics from this menu. On the left side, you'll see the lead capture section. Click it to view the collected data. If needed, you can send the data through Zapier or download all the responses as a CSV file. And that's it. Adding and managing lead forms in Flipsnack is a powerful way to gather information from your readers, customize the data you collect, and ensure privacy compliance.